Hey guys, it's Professor Wade. I just wanted to point out a few things in the class. So if you go to My Accounting Lab and then you click on either My Accounting Lab Course Home or My Accounting Lab All Assignments, it's going to prompt you here. So you're going to say I accept, and it's going to bring you directly to My Accounting Lab. If you already have a My Lab account, you can just log in over here with your username and your password. And if you don't have a My Accounting Lab or My Lab account, you're going to want to create one here. And follow all the information here. It's already paired with our Blackboard, so it's going to take you directly to the course for My Accounting Lab. And let's go back to Blackboard. In Blackboard, underneath here, you'll see the syllabus. Welcome video. I have a little video showing myself. Journals, you're going to have 2 journals this semester. You'll have one at the beginning of the semester that's going to be due this week, and then you'll have one at the very end of the semester, the last week. Under discussions, this is going to be all of your discussion boards. And right here I have the question and answer forum. Please don't ask me any technical questions for the class. Please send those directly to the emails per the syllabus. But this is a great forum for you to maybe write questions to each other if you have any. For the first discussion board, which is going to be due this week, don't forget that you have an initial post and a follow-up post. To get full credit, you're going to have to complete both of those, and make sure that you're familiar with the Netiquette guidelines down below. I know that some people sometimes have some difficulty uploading pictures. Don't worry about it if you aren't able to do so. Under here in videos, what I've done is I've tried to find some great resources for you for the different chapters we're going to cover. So in chapter 1, for instance, we're going to cover the financial statements, and I've given you a number of different videos here that kind of give you a different take on the financial statements. And maybe if you're having trouble with, say, what a current asset is from your reading, you can just go here and check that out, or the statement of retained earnings, etc. Under course materials, I've uploaded PowerPoints here, and they are not narrated, but there is a little written portion underneath. It is from the textbook, so if you feel that the textbook is providing you with enough and you don't want to look at the PowerPoints, don't even worry about it. And the chapter handouts, there's just some great handouts that you can use as you're reading through the textbook, kind of guiding your way through, and then the answer keys are provided here as well. For the chapter summaries, I have summaries for each of the chapters broken down by exams. So chapters 1 through 3 are on the first exam, and then I gave you some exam information, as well as some information on publicly traded companies' annual reports, which you're going to be using in the future. One last thing, if you click on the course calendar, so here's the discussion board, the journal entries, and then all of the assignments that are due each week are going to be showing up here. The second discussion board, since it's not available to you, is not showing up, but you can guarantee that it will be due next Tuesday. Let me know if you have any questions on this. I'm just trying to help you kind of guide your way through the class.